Senate Mr. Kumar Kaushik.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes. Netaji Subhas Institute of Technology of Mahara, is it a recognized institution?
My Lord, it is
Affiliated
recognized.
to Aryabhatta Knowledge University.
My Lord.
Now, how do we know that you were teaching there? Any record maintained by the university?
My Lord, that has come. In fact, this is the stand in the counter affidavit that there is no record with the university with respect.
Then
to
how
the-
would a registrar countersign your experience certificate?
My Lord.
That way he would be facing a criminal prosecution, Mr. Kaushik.
My Lord, if at all the appointment of the petitioner was not made by the competent authority.
Then perhaps, Mr. Kaushik, you're right. Then you have a list against the university.
My
Then
Lord.
you have a list against the university. Now, where have you placed before the learned single judge the documents in your possession which would justify your grievance against the registrar in not countersigning your certificate?
My Lord, the advertisement by way of which the petitioner was appointed
Where is that?
is at page number 9 with the rejoinder filed in the writ petition.
Have we issued notice to the principal of Netaji Subhas, of the institute as also of the Aryabhatta Knowledge University? You are for whom?
The state law.
No, state. Who appears for Aryabhatta University? क्या है इनका कोई रिकॉर्ड नहीं है?
My Lord, my submission is that
Has the principal certified that you were there?
in fact the principal has, the Netaji Subhas Institute of Technology has issued an experience certificate. It was required to be countersigned by the registrar.
No, that's right. We have told you this.
So
The registrar refuses to countersign because he says that there is nothing on record. There is no record in the university of your appointment.
there are two documents, if I may show.
Yes.
In the reply, my Lord will find
Reply to what? Writ or LPA?
the reply to the writ petition.
Counter affidavit of?
There is only one rejoinder counter affidavit filed on behalf of 4, 5 and 6. This is the response by the petitioner in which list of faculties for AICT approved institutions as on 30/4/2015 is enclosed
Where is that?
at page number 10. And this has been downloaded from the site
This
of...
is walk-in interview of what?
This is, my Lord, this is the advertisement by way of which the petitioner was appointed. And the next page is downloaded from the website of the AICT. List of faculties for AICT approved institutions. Annual year 2015-16 as on 30th April 2015. And my Lord will find...
Your name falls where?
It is at serial number 201-2048 at page number 12 of the rejoinder.
2048.
Page number 13, 2048. And apart from this, my Lord will see, if my Lord will see the counter affidavit filed on behalf of the university.
नहीं नहीं, that you joined and that you were rendering your services as a teacher, ये कैसे इससे पता चलेगा? That you were inducted.
It is the list of
That you were
faculty.
inducted. Now, whether you, because you must not, all these faculties would not be paid in Netaji Subhas Institute. That's a self-financed institute. There is only recognition.
My Lord, if the,
Affiliation.
But-
No medical, no financial assistance.
but if the institute is...
Now you show to us that you have been paid for the services rendered by you for all these years.
My Lord, I...
How many students have passed, whether you have taught, whether there is a record of the school. This is the, we will ask Aryabhatta University why they are not keeping the records of their affiliated college. But you need to show us in the first instance for us to interfere with the order of the single judge that right after 2015, when you were inducted in the walk-in interview in an institute which has been given affiliation by AICTE, you joined the services and you are rendering your services. Right? Suppose somebody comes. I mean, I did not explain it to you. You are a good counsel. Suppose some law intern now comes and meets me and says that I want to intern in your court, and I say yes, but he doesn't file any application, does not pursue, and he is not granted permission, and doesn't and there is no record of this court that he has been attending. Now, can this court give a certificate that he has had experience in this court? No.
No.
No. So therefore you appeared in walk-in interview, you were selected. If we accept this page 112 to be correct, then we give it that you were successful in the walk-in interview. Whether you joined that job, whether you continued teaching, whether you were being paid or whatever, your services were being recognized. Where is the appointment letter?
My lord, appointment letter is annexure 2 with the writ petition. Annexure 1, it is at, I'm sorry my lord, it is annexure 3 at page number 20. This is the letter of appointment,
Page 20.
page 20. On 2/5/2014.
The board has recommended for your appointment. You are requested to sign on the second copy confirming your acceptance.
My lord, this is consequent upon your interview with us.
No, that's right.
We take pleasure of informing
So we
you
agree
the
that
board
you
has-
joined. We
That-
agree that you joined.
And-
Now, where is the annual statement of the college which is sent to the university for them to keep a record? I mean, there has to be something, no?
My lord, in fact, there is one letter brought on record by way of counter affidavit at page number 18. The university itself has designated me, appointed me as co-examiner for the course code so and so.
Where is that?
That is at page number 18
Of the counter affidavit.
of the counter affidavit. This is issued by the university on 14/2/2016.
And this is somewhere in 2006. Yes, Mr. Yes. If you did not have any record of the faculty of that Netaji Subhas Institute, how have you acknowledged him and how have you made him the co-examiner? Look at page 18, running page 69 of the brief. तो ये पहले दिखाते मिस्टर कौशिक कितना क्वेश्चन क्यों पूछवाया आपसे?
I'm sorry. My lord, what has happened?
Did you state this before the learned single judge?
It is part of the record before the writ
That's not
proceeding.
part of record is everything. You must place it before the single judge. Single judge says that there is nothing on record.
I am not aware whether it was placed or not.
You are not the lawyer.
Mine.
All right. So this is a document by you. This is a document which has been signed by you. Therefore, when you say that there is no record, you are obviously lying.
Not a single record is in university, your lordship.
So how have you made him co-examiner? Not a single record. Can you say that? आप नाम से इनको बनाया है?
No,
ये forged letter है?
no, your lordship. No.
तो आपने जब सिंगल जज लिख रहे थे, डिसाइड कर रहे थे पिटीशन, तो आपने ये डॉक्यूमेंट क्यों नहीं दिखाया? हाउ डू वी नो? We are not going to remit you, send you to the single judge. We will decide it here.
It should
But you
have
tell
been.
us.
It
It
should
should
have
have been shown.
In fact, my lord, if I may submit, they are not counter-signing the experience certificate even with respect to teachers appointed by Department of Science and Technology in the teachers maintained by the department, in the colleges maintained by the department.
Why?
As
File
a matter
criminal
of
case against
rule,
them.
there also they have stated that we have no records, and those colleges are maintained by the government of
You
Bihar.
close down your university. Send the entire records to the earlier university which was handling all this. You don't have the record of any institution, and you keep appointing them as co-examiners. Who is your vice chancellor?
Vice Chancellor SP Singh, your lordship.
You would like to hear from him. Why? What
In
kind
charge
of
Vice
record?
Chancellor. In charge Vice Chancellor, your lordship.
No, we are surprised. Now we could have accepted your contention that there is no record. Netaji Subhas Chandra Institute, Amhara, it may not be existing, but you have made him way back in the year 2016. You have made him a co-examiner in Chanakya National Law University campus. तो record नहीं कैसे है? They are not satisfied with your affidavit. Tell us why the records are not here. Why did you examine? Look here. Ask your registrar to be here on the next date. You would like to know. It's a serious matter. You are questioning the very existence of the institution. You don't maintain records. The teachers would not get an opportunity of participating in other competitive exams wherever they are required to furnish experience certificate. This is a callous approach. If that institution doesn't exist, rightly you have rejected, but you have chosen to make him co-examiner. The appellant, an assistant professor in Netaji Subhas Institute of Technology, Amhara Beta, Patna, an institute which is affiliated to Aryabhat Knowledge University, Patna, required the teaching certificate experience to be countersigned by the registrar of the university, which was refused on the ground that there is no record available in the university of the existence of the college. Aggrieved by the aforesaid refusal of the registrar of the university in countersigning the experience certificate forwarded by the management of the college, the appellant approached this court by CWJC number 8884 of 2020, which has been disposed of by order dated 28/10/2021, accepting the statement of the university that no record of the college in question is available with the university, justifying the refusal of the registrar of the university to countersign the experience certificate. Mr. Kaushik, पूरा नाम क्या लिखते हैं आप?
Kumar Kaushik.
Mr. Kumar Kaushik, learned advocate for the appellant, has drawn the attention of this court to the advertisement issued by the college for selection of candidates on the post of assistant professor and the merit list, as well as the appointment letter of the petitioner as assistant professor in the stream of mathematics in the college. Mr. Kaushik has also drawn the attention of this court to a communication made by the university to the petitioner, making him a co-examiner of the university in the subject mathematics in the year 2016. On the basis of the aforenoted documents, Mr. Kaushik has contended that the learned single judge was not justified in accepting the contention of the university, the Aryabhat University, that there is no record of the existence of the college in the university. The Aryabhat, Mr. Can I map?
Priyank Deepak.
Mr. Priyank Deepak, learned advocate for the Aryabhat University, is directed to file an affidavit sworn by the registrar as to how, in the absence of records of the college in question, the petitioner, the appellant who claims to be an assistant professor in such college, has been nominated as a co-examiner in subject mathematics. Let such an affidavit be filed by the next date. Re-notify on next week, Monday.